Hi, in this video, let us find the value of a, given that you have a to the power of 3 minus a squared equals 48. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here we have a to the power of 3 minus a squared equals 48. Then from here we have a to the power of 3 minus a squared equals 48. We can have it as 64 minus 16. So from here, we have a to the power of 3 minus a squared. Let's say this one here will be minus 64 minus 16 equals 0. Then from here, we have a to the power of 3 minus a squared. This will be minus 64 plus 16 equals 0. Minus times minus here will be plus. So we are going to have here to be plus 16. Then we have a to the power of 3 minus a squared. We can have this 64 in base 4 as 4 to the power of 3. We can have this 16 in base 4 as 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. Let us regroup this as a to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3. Then let's have this as a minus a squared plus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. Let's put them in parentheses. So we're going to have this as a to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3. Here is minus, so here will be a to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2. Minus times minus here will be plus equals 0. Now from here, let us recall when we have x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 equals as x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. Then when you also have x squared minus y squared, always equals x minus y times x plus y. We got this difference of 2 squared and difference of 2 cube. So here will now be a minus 4 times this will be a squared plus 4a plus 4 squared. Then for this will be minus a minus 4 times a plus 4 equals 0. Then a minus 4 is common. We can factor it out to be a minus 4. Then this divided by this will be a squared plus 4a plus 16. Then this will be minus into a plus 4 equals 0. So from here we have a minus 4. Here will be a squared plus 4a plus 16 minus a minus 4 equals 0. So we have a minus 4 from here. Then this will be a squared. Then from here, 4a minus a, this will be plus 3a, 16 minus 4 plus 12 equals 0. Now, by applying zero product rule, This will be equals a minus 4 equals 0. And then all we have a square plus 3a plus 12 to be equals 0. So from here, this a will be equals 4. Now, coming down to this place, solving this one, we can have it as the product is, let's solve it using quadratic formula. So we are going to have this to be a equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b square minus 4a star multiplied by c over 2a star. Then let's define the following parameter. A star, the coefficient of a square, 1. Then our b to be the coefficient of a, 3. Then our c to be equals 12. Then when you substitute everything here, so what we are going to have will be a equals minus 3, positive or negative, 3 square, 4 times 8 times 12, over 2 times 1. So now we have a minus 3, positive or negative, 9 minus 48 over 2. So we have a from here to be minus 3, positive or negative, 9 minus 48, this will be equals minus 39 over 2. Now, when you have root minus a equals as root a again times root of minus 1, and this equals root a. Root of minus 1 is a complex number that gives I. So from here we have a minus 3, positive or negative, root of 39 multiplied by I over 2. And so therefore from here, we can declare that a equals 4, and again a equals minus 3, positive or negative, root of 39I over 2.